So hot pepper needs more ingredients, and it is attacked by diseases for leaves, diseases that attack the actual fruit, and it also gets attacked by moth. If they find moth in your pepper, they just throw away your pepper, and the only way you can treat moth is by treating the leaf. Yet the medication that cures moth is the kind of medication that was prohibited on the market. That is Striker. Striker is not allowed in the market. So the best thing that you can do is to make sure you weed your garden, take care of it, make sure there is no single weed, no grass. Also use traps so that you can minimize the amount of medication that you need to spray. That way you can take care of your garden without using so many chemicals. Uncle Movie.